If your security camera is not recording events, there are several possible reasons for this issue. The camera's app may be outdated. The camera's firmware may be outdated. Or the camera may not be set to record events. To resolve these issues, start by updating the app. Open the mobile app, navigate to the Account tab, and check the About section for the app's version, which is listed below the logo. Compare this version to the latest one available on the support website, and download the latest version from the device's App Store if necessary. Next, update the camera's firmware by opening the app, navigating to the Account tab, and selecting Firmware Update to download the latest version. After updating, check if the problem persists. If the issue remains, adjust the camera settings by opening the app, navigating to the camera settings, and enabling event recording, including motion and sound detection. Customize the detection settings by checking the boxes for Tag and Notify. Finally, test the settings by moving in front of the camera to ensure it is now recording events correctly.